Hello guys, myself Shubham Chacha and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see voltage gain problem, or you can say voltage gain with transistor. So here is the problem. We are given with the thermal voltage that is nothing but 26 millivolt. RC is given. The two resistor that is nothing but emitter resistor RE1 and here it is RE2. You can mark any register, but this is emitter, so I am marking it. It is RE1 and RE2. Beta is given as 100. R0 is given as infinity ohms, and VB on that is nothing but 0.7 volt. 1 kilo ohm resistor, that this is R1 and R2. 14 kilo ohm and 11 kilo ohm. RTH VTH we have to find for DC analysis. VCC is given as 2.5 volt. Okay, sure. So first we will do the DC analysis and check whether this particular circuit is in active region or in saturation region. Most of the transistor, if we find in voltage gain, they are in only active region. So this is our 2.5 volt plus of minus 0.7. This is nothing but 1 kilo ohm. RTH and VTH I will find out here. This is nothing but your VC collector voltage, 10 kilo ohm resistor. This is nothing but your RE1 0.5 kilo ohms. I am writing in kilo ohms. All the resistors are in kilo ohms, only 2 kilo ohms. The capacitor is open circuit for DC analysis. So we'll go for RTH first. RTH equals to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. So 14 kilo ohm, 11 kilo ohm. 6160, I am writing in kilo ohms. 6.160 kilo ohms RTH. VTH is nothing but your VCC into R2. R1 plus R2. So I have applied here the voltage dividing rule. For here, if we have to find here VTH, so I have applied here voltage divider rule. So this is nothing but your 2.5 into 11 into 10 raised to 3. Into 10 raised to 3 into 14 into 10 raised to 3. So it will come out to be 1.1 volt. Replacing this by 1.1 volt and RTH as 6.160. 0 kilo ohms. Applying here KVL in the base terminal. Base low I am applying, so 1.1 volt plus of minus here Here it will be 1k IB minus 6.160 kilo IB plus of minus the second one 0.7 0.5k. Okay, sorry. 1 plus beta IB equals. Okay, so this is the particular equation. I am marking the polarity here. .1 volt there. Simplifying this equation right now. 1.1 equals, this is nothing but 1k 6.160 7.16 IB. This is nothing but minus here it will be plus 0.5 plus 2. This is nothing but 2.5. Beta is 101 into 2.5 2.5 0.5 IB. 1.1 minus 0.7, there it will come as 0.4, equating this all 7.16 plus 2.5, so 0.4 divided by answer is nothing but IB comes out to be 259.66 IB. If we divide, then IB will be in microamperes. 1.540 microamperes, multiplying it with IC equals to beta IB, that is nothing but into 100 milliampere. So I have calculated both the current, base current and collector current. If we switch on to VC and VE, so it will be, here it is VE, here it is VB. As you can see, the base current is 1.540 microamp, so it will be nothing but, if we apply this equation here, I am writing here 1.1 minus 1k IB minus 6.160 k IB, and this VB will be in minus, so minus VB equals 0. So if we simplify this, this is nothing but 1 plus 6.160 7.16 into 1.540 into 10 raised to minus 6 to 10 raised to 3, and so it will be approx 1.088 VB, and if we apply for VE, it will come out to be minus 0.7, .388, and this is nothing but your 1.0 88. And if we talk about VC here, 2.5 10k into 0.154, 2.5 minus of answer 0.96. Okay, so this will be in active region, as you can see, 1.088, 0.96, 0.388. So this will be in active region. Okay, going to see the AC analysis. So continuing with the AC analysis. First I will draw the modified diagram for AC circuit. Okay, so here the second emitter resistance is shorted because of capacitor, as in AC circuit the capacitor will be short circuited, so this will not be taken, this capacitor, this resistor. So in emitter region only 0.5k will be there. And here RC, this will be grounded, this will be grounded. This is VCC, particular V0 here. Okay, sure. First I will find the transconductance and the R0, as if you can see R0 is infinity, so I am not taking here. We'll find only GM, the transconductance, IC by VT. IC is nothing but your 0.154, 0.154 into 10 raised to minus 3. VT is 26 into 10 raised to minus 3. Comes out to be 5.92 milliamps per volt. This is nothing but 1 kilo ohm here, 1 kilo ohm, and the particular RTH is given as, this is nothing but plus of minus V pi R pi. We will find R pi, GM V pi. This is nothing but RC. RC is given as 10 kilo ohm. So RTH, we will check, it is RTH is nothing but 6.160, you can see here. So 6.160 kilo ohm. Okay, we will mark as in V1 here, V2, and 2.5k register. Okay, sure. So we have to find ultimate V0 by VS here. So firstly we will go with this part. Then we will go with this part. Then we will go with this part. In three parts I am taking it to the solution. So V naught equals minus gm v pi into 10k. So minus of 5.92 into 10 kilo and milli gets cancelled. So it will come out to be 5.92 into 10. That is nothing but 59.2 minus में 59.2 minus में v pi. This is nothing but v naught. Okay, sure. Then we will go with this part, v1 and v2 equation, as we have to find v pi and ultimate we have to transfer it in vs. So for this I am taking node analysis here. Okay, so gm v pi incoming plus this is nothing but your v pi by r pi, you can say, as if you can if you switch on to current also, so it is nothing but v pi by r pi, and outgoing is nothing but your v2 by 0.5 k. gm r pi v pi plus v pi by r pi equals v2 0.5 k. So this is nothing but gm r pi is beta v pi plus v pi by r pi equals v2 by 0.5 k. So if we solve this, it will be v pi 1 plus beta here by r pi here equals v2, terminate this 0.5 k. 1 plus beta is nothing but 1 not 1 r pi is your, I have not find r pi, we will find it. R pi equals to ib by vt, sorry, vt by ib. Vt by ib, so 26 into 10 raised to minus 3 vt, and ib is nothing but your 1 point, okay, 1.540 into 10 raised to minus 6, so 16.883 kilo ohms. 16.883 kilo ohms. This is nothing but your r pi. So if we switch on to this, 1 plus beta is nothing but 101 divided by answer. So v pi comes out to be 5.98 into 10 raised to minus 3, and v2 is nothing but 0.5 k. If we multiply cross multiplication, we will get 2.99 v pi. V pi equals to v2. So this will be 2.99 v pi in terms of v2, but we have to find here in terms of vs. So if we switch on to this equation, you can see here v1 minus v pi minus v2. So I will switch on to another page. Please note down the equation. 2.99 v pi equals v2. Okay. So this is nothing but 2.99 v pi equals v2. So first I will see the diagram also for this. For this you can see here vs, this is 6.1601 k v pi, and 0.5k. So I need this part only, not this part. So I will redraw this vs 1k 6.160. Okay, vs 1k 6.160. This is nothing but your RPI here, which is here. It will be your RE 0.5k grounded 0.5k 6.160. This is nothing but your plus of minus V pi R pi. Okay, this is nothing but your V1, this is V2, this is equation 1 I am calling. V1 minus V pi minus V2 equals 0. Polarity here. Okay, sure. So as I have got this in V pi terms, V2, so I will solve it here. I will take nodal analysis over here. Okay, incoming, outgoing and outgoing. So here you can see in both the terminals, this is nodal super node here. So we will take this part. Okay, so applying nodal analysis here, Vs minus V1 by 1k, incoming, both are outgoing, V1 by 6.160, this is k in kilo ohms, plus V2 by 0.5k. Okay, sure. So if we solve this 0.5k there, plus 6.160 k V2, this is nothing but your V1, and 6.160 into 0.5, so here it will come as 3.08. so this is nothing but your 3.08 into 10 raised to 6 Vs minus V1 by 1k. So now it's going to be more complicated because equation is far long. 3.08 into 10 raised to 6 Vs minus V1, so 1k there, 0.5k 0.5k into 10 raised to 3 into 1k, so it will be approx, you can say, into 10 raised to 3, and V1 0.5 into 10 raised to 6 plus V2, you can see 6.160 into 10 raised to 6. Okay, sure. So this get cancel if we take 10 raised to 6 common. Vs minus V1 3.08, so V1 is nothing but 0.5 V1 plus 6.160 V2, Vs minus V1 dividing on both the side, 3.08, 0.5 divided by 3.08 comes out to be 0.1623 V1. If we talk about this, 160 divided by 3.08 is nothing but, okay, sure, so approx it comes out to be 2 V2. Once again I will check. is correct, Vs minus V1. So if we shift V1 there, 1 plus 0.1623, 1.1623, V1 plus 2 V2. Okay, so final we have reached here. You can see in terms of Vs we are getting, but if we talk about V0, so V0 equals to minus Gm V pi Rc. So we have to replace V pi in terms of Vs. As you can see, we have got here V2 as in terms of V pi. So we will first replace this, and then if required, we will switch on to this equation for V pi in terms of V1. So Vs equals to 1.1623, V1 plus 2, this is V2. So V2 is nothing but 2.99 V pi, three one two 2.99. This is nothing but 5.98. Oh, V pi. So one equation comes out to be in V pi, but V1 is left out here. So we will give V2 in terms of V pi here. Substituting this, I will call this equation as 2. Substituting 2 in 1, we will get. I am substituting here V1 minus V pi minus V2 is nothing but 2.99 V pi. So 2.99 V pi comes out to be 3.99 V pi. If we shift that equals 0, so 3.99 V pi. So 3.99 into, if we multiply 1.1623, gets out to be 4.6375. 7 pi V pi plus 5.98 V pi equals Vs. You can see the whole equation turns out to be in V pi, and Vs is in left hand side. So we will equate this. Comes out to be 10.6 divided by 1. Vs equals to V pi. So 1 divided by answer is nothing but 0.094. So V pi comes out to be 0.094 Vs. So substituting in V0, if we see V0 equation, so if we see V0 equation, V0 is comes out to be V0 equals to minus 59.2 V pi. We have V pi. If we substitute in terms of Vs, we will get the voltage gain. So V0 equals to minus 59.2. I will substitute it. V0 equals to minus 59. Okay, 1 second. What's the equation? It's 59.2. So if we solve it further, 59.2 in terms of V pi, and V pi is given as 0.094 Vs. So multiplying this answer into 59.2 comes out to be 5.57 in minus 5.575 Vs. So finally we got V0 by Vs, that is nothing but our voltage gain in terms of minus 5.575. So this is our answer. V0 by Vs, that is nothing but voltage gain EVS, comes out to be minus of 5.575. So the final answer is, I will write it here, The final answer is minus of 5.575 voltage gain. That is nothing but V naught by Vi. It is Vi. Sorry, I have written here as Vs. Nothing. You can change as Vi only. So we have got 5.575 negative. So voltage gain comes out to be negative 5.575. So thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to see such kind of videos on voltage gain, BJT amplifier and MOSFET. Thank you very much.